Hey makers! Today we're going to show you how to make your own family nest necklace. Follow along with our step-by-step video tutorial to make this lovely personalised gift perfect for Mother's Day. Using your 35cm length of 0.8mm wire, wrap around the wheat sheaf mandrel as many times as you like. Once you have reached your desired thickness, slide your nest off the mandrel. Bend the ends of the wire around your nest using your fingers to hold the wire tightly in place. Using a pair of side cutters, snip the loose ends of wire away. Take a 30cm length of 0.3mm wire and wrap one end around the edge of your nest. Carefully thread your chosen gemstone beads onto the wire before looping them into a circle. Secure them by wrapping the opposite end of the wire around the edge of your nest, holding the beads tightly in place with your thumb as you do so. Trim the excess wire off with your side cutters. Take another 30cm length of 0.3mm wire and wrap around the nest in the circle of beads you've created. This will start to hold the eggs into place. Trim away any excess wire and repeat this step twice more with the last two pieces of 0.3mm wire. Using 15cm of 0.8mm wire, wrap around the last unsecured part of your nest and eggs. Cross the two ends of your wire over. Then, with your round nose pliers, create a loop and wrap tightly under it. Snip away any loose wire. Take your flat nose and your snipe nose pliers to carefully twist open the jump ring. Hook the loop of your nest through the jump ring and attach your chain. Twist your jump ring shut. File down any sharp points of your nest, leaving you with a beautiful handmade gift for someone special. Thank you for following along with us, and feel free to check out more tips and tutorials on our website.